if you have this Beurer blood pressure monitor, the BM27, and it's giving an error number 4, it means that after inflating the cuff, it cannot get rid of the air quick enough, and then it cannot get a reliable reading. Now you can remove 2 screws below the batteries here. There are 2 screws here, these 2. Then you can open it up at the fronts, like this. And then you can see this small green valve here that has a tiny hole. So if you remove this, you can clean it with some water so the hole is open again. You can put it back and your BM27 will work again.